Welcome back to another Voltz tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at fission reactors. It's a very efficient way to create power inside Voltz, or this is atomic science mod. This is a pretty good mod. Anyway, what you'll be needing fission reactor, thermometer. You need some redstone, sticky piston, control rod, some water, steam funnel, mechanical pipe. I like any block of your kind. I like to use reinforced concrete. Universal cable, reactor turbine, any way to store power. I'm just using the ultimate energy cube, and fissile fuel rods to power your um, reactor. You um, can also use breeder fuel rods. Not as good, but yeah, you can also use breeder fuel rod. So yeah, right, you need to make a 3x3 hole. Doesn't have to be a hole, but it just looks better if it's a hole. So it can be a building. You can do what you want. Place your, you don't have to place blocks. I just like to use reinforced concrete, so in case it goes nuclear, it, you know, doesn't do as much damage. So place your fission reactor right in the middle, your thermometer right there, and, place our redstone loop here. So, okay. And then you go your piston right here, sticky piston, your control rod right there. This will make it so if the thermometer if it detects 2000 degrees or higher, it'll stick this control rod up here, stopping it so it won't go nuclear. So that is, that's a plus. And then just cover this up. Make sure you don't place any right there. That will stop the redstone path. So, yeah. Okay. There we go. And now, all you gotta do with this now is just, uh, if I were you, yeah, okay, we'll deal with that later. Stick your water, fill this whole thing up with water. So yep, fill this whole thing up with water, and then place your steam funnels right here. And there, that's all you need for that. That part's out of the way. Okay. And that, and I forgot to get a thingamabobber, a configurator. So you take your configurator and pump and set all this to pump. This will pump the steam out, and what this will do is make it pretty much so you can have more turbines for one generator. It's actually super useful. So anyway, you can be done with this. So done with everything there, and just now all we need is these. I guess I might want that. And you don't need your configurator anymore. So now all you have to do is hook this up. Go 1, 2 out, and I like to connect it. You don't have to. I mean, you do have to have one. You could just go like this. You have to make sure each of these corners has something, but it doesn't have to connect. So you have to make sure each of the corners has it, but I like to make it connect just because it looks a little bit better. But if you're in survival mode and you're making this, you might not want to do that because it's not as efficient. And then take your reactor turbines and just place this whole area with reactor turbines. This is what actually makes the power, as you probably know. So just fill this in. And I am going to show you how to make this whole system automated with the ME system. That's coming near the end of the video. And then I'll make another tutorial on the ME system and a bunch of different things. So now take a wrench, which I also forgot, and you got to press the middle of this to make it a big turbine. And then all you got to do is hook this up with power cables. Don't do that. Okay. Hook this up with power cables. And hook this up to a power cube, an energy cube, sorry. Okay. Now all you have to do is put the fissile fuel rod inside, and it will generate power. So, just don't do that. Okay. Put this in here. It will start generating power. As you can see, the turbines start spinning. They start spinning pretty slow. See, they are spinning, and it is generating power. Now, if you don't want to have to climb to the very bottom of your thing and have to keep putting in cables, I would suggest making it automated. And so for that, you just need ME system, which isn't very hard. Just quickly set up one. Just put it at 64. You have to connect this to power. So then all you gotta do is connect this all you have to do is connect this to the bottom of this with a basic export bus and put that inside, and that will basically tell it what to put inside. And there, now this is hooked up, and you put these in. As long as these are inside here, they'll automatically put it in. I'll show you. If I take the one out here, a new one will automatically be put in. So once it runs out of durability, it will automatically be put inside, and you don't have to ever worry. So you just cover this up. Cover that up and you never have to worry about it ever again. See, it generates a crap ton of power. So yeah, this will conclude this tutorial. So hopefully I'll see you in another video, and